Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Cortech Adrenaline GP Air road race boots. Okay, the all-new Cortech Adrenaline GP Air boots retail for $199.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update the videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. We missed these in the catalog update. I was answering some YouTube comments the other day, and somebody said, hey man, can you do a review on the new Cortech boots? And I'm like, new Cortech boots? Well, that's news to me. And I went to the Cortech site, and then I went to our site, and I'm like, oh man, we missed those. So thank you very much for the heads up. We have all the new boots added, and they are also here so we can shoot the reviews that were requested. These are available in multiple colors. We're showing you just the all black version right now. Let's start off with the ever important sizing. I wear a size 12 US in every common shoe out there. For the most part, get a good fit. These are a 46 Euro or 12 US. I get exactly the fit I would expect, right? If I had any criticism for the boot or anything I would warn you about in terms of sizing, the width is very average. It's not overly narrow, it's not overly wide. My feet lean to the wide side, still got a good comfortable fit. I don't see an expansion panel here in the zip. With that said, if you know you're really thick in the ankles, if you have what we would call cankles, like Max Van, he has cankles. Maybe a little tougher for you to zip these up, okay? If you're completely average in the ankle area, don't worry about it. Odds are you're gonna get yourself a good fit. Who are these boots right for? These boots are right for any sport rider that's looking for a higher level of protection, as well as a reasonable amount of ventilation. This boot is fully perforated, which is a nice touch with any boot. The airflow really works to keep your foot cooler and more comfortable. You could use these certainly on the racetrack, track day riding, some club racing, no doubt about it. I think they did a good job blending in some protection while keeping the price of the boot reasonable. Got reinforced heel cup. Lateral ankle stability on this is good. Protection up here in the shin. One of the most important things with any piece of motorcycle-centric footwear, it's going to be the sole. The sole has to be reinforced. This one's reinforced with a steel shank. You know, if you grab your boot like this and you're able to fold the sole at all, it's not going to be able to protect your foot in a fall. You always have the possibility of the motorcycle coming down on the side of your foot like that. For that reason, the footwear needs to be reinforced in the sole to prevent crushing. We got reinforcement up here in the toe box. Shifter pad will be on both of the boots just to keep everything symmetrical. You've got this is all Italian microfiber that's used. Most boots, they're not actually leather, it's microfiber. The microfiber holds up better than leather. For that reason, they use that. This panel here has the rough side out. It's going to help grip the motorcycle a little bit better. You've got replaceable toe sliders on both sides. We also have those listed on the website. Protection up here in the shin area. Motion bellow here. Entry and exit is managed through this motocross style buckle adjuster up here at the top. Here's your zip. And like I said, the entry on these was reasonable, right? I didn't have any trouble getting my foot in or out. Walked around, and this is the one that I wore in the shop. Walked around in it quite a bit to benchmark this with other stuff that we had. I feel that it's a true 12. The comfort itself was good. The only warning I'm going to give anyone is if you know you're thick right here in the ankles, maybe just a little bit difficult to get those zipped up. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section. I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.